All Simplified Loader templates are digitally signed. Adding the Simplified Loader certificate indicates the computer's trust in the macro code built in Simplified Loader Excel templates. To add the certificate, open an Excel sheet. Click Files. Options. Trust Center Settings. Macro Settings. Select option Disable VBA macros. Accept digitally signed macros. Accepts the change by clicking OK. Now open any of the Simplified Loader Excel templates. Upon opening the Simplified Loader Excel template, you will see the yellow ribbon with a security warning. Click on the hyperlink macro have been disabled. Select option Enable Content. Advanced Options. The Microsoft Office Security Options window displays the code is signed by Simplified Loader Ltd. Click the option Trust all documents from this publisher. Click OK to accept the change. The Simplified Loader's digital signature is now successfully stored on your computer. To view stored certificates, click Files. Options. Trust Center Settings. And Trusted Publishers.